Hi guys, it's Tanya. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cute Christmas decorations that you can make at home. Now I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas angel like the one I have here. To do this, you will need 2 pieces of pipe cleaner and wings. Let me show you how to do it. The first way of making the angel is to bend the pipe cleaner down into a triangle shape. Kind of looks like a candy corn. Then you're gonna wrap it around until you can see a really tiny hole there, sort of. You're gonna take it behind and then put the pipe cleaner through that hole. And then wait until it gets tight, like that. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take your wing, put it behind, take it where you want it to be attached, and then take your pipe cleaner behind, like that. And then you're gonna wrap it all through here, through the front again. Make sure you're doing it tight so it doesn't come off, the wing doesn't come off. Then you're gonna take the pipe cleaner through the same hole that you fastened your wing, and then you're gonna fasten it again so the wing doesn't come off. Then you're gonna set this aside and start making the head for the first way. You're gonna start rolling it into a circle shape. So you're gonna start rolling it until it's big enough. Then you're gonna start wrapping it around and trying to form a ball shape like that, something like that. So this is how mine looks when I'm done with my ball. So now you're gonna try to put it through your other pipe cleaners, leftovers, and then you're gonna bend your pipe cleaner and put it in, tuck it in. And that is how you make the first way of making an angel. How cute is that? Now I'm gonna show you how to make the second version of the angel with a styrofoam ball. So you're gonna make the body like the other version. You're gonna start to make a triangular shape like that. And then you're gonna start wrapping it around until you have this tiny hole, like so you can go in. You're gonna take your pipe cleaner around and go through the hole so you can fasten it. Like that. Then you're gonna take your wing and wrap it around. Take it through the body. And then go in the same hole that you went to start with the wing. So now you have a nice body. Then you're gonna take your styrofoam ball and pierce through the styrofoam ball with your pipe cleaner, and then take the styrofoam back inside the hole. That is how you make the other version of the angel.